friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share you my potato pie recipe, and it's very easy and tasty. So let's see what ingredients which we need for making a dough. Here are baking soda, baking powder, salt, oil and water. And last but not the least, all-purpose flour. Here I'm using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'm adding half teaspoon baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt as per my taste. And then I'm adding 1/4 cup of oil and mixing it well. Here I'm making a soft dough. After that I will keep it aside for resting it half an hour. As you can see, my dough is ready. For the next step, we need peanut and cumin, chilli, garam masala, coriander, turmeric and ginger powder and chaat masala. And then microwave peanut for 3 minutes. For the next step, I am using 5 tablespoons of oil, and then I am adding turmeric, cumin, ginger, coriander and garam masala and frying it for 1 minute. And then I'm adding boiled potato and mashing it. Mash the potato along with mixing. As you can see, potato has roughly mashed. And then I'm adding salt, and chilli powder, and chaat masala. And at last I'm adding microwaved peanut. So now stuffing is ready, so let's keep it aside. After half an hour my dough is ready, and I'm dividing it into 2 parts in 2:1 ratio. Now I have taken a big size dough and rolling it into a big size. After that I am greasing it and then apply it into a cake tin. As you can see, it's done. So now I'm adding the filling into it. I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes. And now covering it with another roll dough. Now I am making joint between 2 portions with the help of fingers. As you can see, it's done. Now I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes on convection mode at 180 degrees. So now my potato pie recipe is ready. Hope this video would be helpful for you. So please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to watch my channel.